So I hope napanood nyo yung unang episode natin with the VinFast VF3. So this time, dito naman tayo sa Limo Green. So let's just do a quick review. I'm trying my best to make this short. So ayan, you have this LED bar that connects, you know, that actually crosses from end to end, left to right. Okay, so medyo familiar tayo sa setup na to kasi yun nga, like I mentioned earlier, nakapag-review na tayo ng MPV7 dun sa VinFast showroom nila sa Gilmore. So this one actually is yung LED na to, dual function to. This is also the turn signal at the same time. So headlights here and VinFast logo, and what else? Plastic garnish here sa bumper, and meron kang grill dito to cool down what looks like a radiator inside. Okay? So, punta tayo sa loob. Before we go inside, let's talk about quickly yung price niya, no? So, MSRP with battery subscription is 1,099,000 pesos. Without the battery subscription, it's 1,399,000. So, worth 300,000 yung battery, you know? Kasi malaking battery nito. Again, guys, this is full EV. And then it says here, 80% residual value guarantee. Free charging until 2029. Ito ang pinakapanalo sa lahat. Can you just, guys, can you just imagine magkano ang gasolina mo starting today pag binili mo to? Tapos yung makukonsumo mong gasolina hanggang 2029. Magkano yun? Versus sa matitipid mo sa free charging. Parang nakabili ka na ulit na isa pa nitong sasakyan. Di ba? Well, syempre, of course, depende sa takbo mo. But, 2026 pa lang ngayon. 3 years na gasolina mo magkano? Na-compute mo na ba? Baka, sige, at the minimum, kalahati ng presyo nitong kotse. Am I exaggerating? No, I think it's possible. The charging port of the VinFast Limo Green is, ayan, CCS Type 2. AC and DC fast. Inside the VinFast Limo Green, dito sa driver door, it's all plastic din na mukhang aluminum, but meron kang power door locks, power windows, and andito yung door handle mo. Okay? Let's get inside. Oh, okay. So, fabric din yung material ng seats. Okay? Yung cushion niya, the softness is about the same as the VF3, pero iba yung contour. Ito, medyo lubog yung bat-bat mo dito, medyo angat, and I can feel na parang meron siyang natural na contour that holds my body. Iba. Okay? Mas may comfort dito. Okay? Now, manual adjust, forward, backward. Yung recline, also manual. Ayan. And steering column can be adjusted ba? Yes. Tilt and telescopic. Nice. Medyo this time, iba yung design ng aircon vents. This time, slim yung design niya. Like the VF3 na vertical at malalaki, no? And then you have two big cup holders here. And meron kang storage for your cell phone. But I don't think merong wireless charger. Again, guys, set your expectations right. At this price point, wag tayo masyado maghanap ng mga ganong bagay, you know? And then, andito yung rotary electronic shifter, R and D. And then, andito yung P. This is your hazard button. And this one looks like a piano finish. Plain and simple. Dito, probably another storage for a mobile phone. Not sure. Baka yung maliit na phone. Or probably lalagyan ng coins. And then, you have this center console box that's quite deep. Nothing else inside. Walang USB ports. Yeah. Okay naman siya. The steering wheel, flat bottom siya dito, and medyo maumbok, maganda yung grip dito for long drives, no? Ganyan. But yeah, it's all plastic, plain and simple. And andito yung horn niya. Subukan natin. Oh, maganda ang tunog. At least, ang tunog niya pat-pat, hindi pit-pit. Okay, let's go naman dito sa second row. Oh, naka-fold na siya. Let's unfold this. Ayan. So, may lever siya dito sa taas. Ayun. Okay, upo tayo. Okay, alam ko na. Uy, lumulubog talaga. Parang ito rin, the same cushion dun sa MPV7. Masarap. Now, ang napansin ko, di ko na nabanggit kanina, nung nandun ako sa driver seat, napansin ko yung window sill, medyo mababa. Meaning, yung sitting position ko, mataas. Which is something I like. You know? Kasi parang mas maganda yung view mo. And I can really tell na yung second row is much higher ang sitting position kumpara dun sa front. Ayan, no? Para kang nasa mezzanine dito. So, maganda ang view mo as a passenger. Okay? I like the cushion, although fabric nga lang siya, you know? Again, set your expectations right. At this price point, huwag kang maghanap ng leather. You know? Ayan. Yeah, so mas malambot na naman dito sa center seat, no? So, yeah, kasya naman dito. I think my size, 3 of me. Medyo dikit lang ng konti, but I think it will be comfortable. Meron tayong dalawang maliit na aircon vents dito. And meron kang dalawang USB ports for charging your devices. Up here in the headliner is plain and simple. Look at the visors. No vanity mirrors, no LED lamp. Just plain and simple. And then up here, you have your OSB here. Tapos, there's no lamp in the middle. Wala. Pero ito ang pinakapanalo. I think mas gusto ko to na merong aircon control. And ayan, may aircon vent dito for the third row. You know? So, okay na yan. Okay na yan na ito yung kapalit ng walang headlamp dito sa taas. Ng walang ceiling lamp, I mean. Kasi mas importante yung AC. Going to the third row, isang click lang dito ng lever. Ayan. Yun! Nagtatumble siya. Okay? Okay. So, eto hindi ko to ginalaw. Ito yung sitting position ko kanina, which was very comfortable, and yet comfortable din dito sa likod. Same as the MPV7, the same comment, the same feeling ng cushion, and again, very advantageous yung yung floor nakababa. Look at this. So yung paa ko, maipapasok ko sa ilalim ng second row. Ayan. Kasi kung hindi nila to binaba, if they maintain this floor height, masikip. Awkward na yung position dito ng legs ko, ng bat-bat ko. So, malaking bagay. This is like what? Mga 3 to 4 inches na ibinaba. Malaking comfort ang binibigay. Again, yung sitting position na to, maluwag na maluwag to. If I just move this mga 2 to 3 inches pa forward, comfortable na dito. Here at the rear, ayan, meron ka ulit na maliit na shark fin antenna, and maganda yung design ng spoiler with integrated third brake lamp, and you have your wiper here, and yeah, maganda naman yung design, may LED bar siya, very typical design ng VinFast, right? Electronic lock, ayan, of course no auto tailgate, ayan, maluwag, with the third row seats na naka-unfold, na naka-up dito. I think mga 3 backpacks ng mga bata kasya dito, patayo. Okay? And then, andyan yung where you keep your tools. Okay? Yan, napakita ko na to sa inyo sa VinFast MPV7. No? Andyan yung scissors jack, tow hook, tire repair kit, etc. If you need more cargo space, let's fold this. Ayan. Pull nyo muna. Then push. Pull and push. Ayan. Maluwag. Alright? Alright guys, so I hope you liked our quick tour of the VinFast Limo Green. So, like I said, nag-aantay pa kami ng turn namin to do the test drive. So, while waiting, we'll probably move on to the next model, the VinFast Herio. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. As always, please drive safe. Bye. Guys, we closed 2025 strong. We now have almost 38,000 teammates sa YouTube, more than 17,000 sa Facebook, at dumadami na rin tayo sa TikTok and Instagram. Thank you. Thank you so much for riding with us. Ngayong 2026, we will bring you more Pru test drives na inaabangan ninyo. Kaya kung hindi ka pa kasama, mag-subscribe at mag-follow na kayo to officially join the team. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan ngayong taon. Let's go, team!